How to fix Snapchat support code SS06. So to fix that, all you have to do is open up your Play Store, and on the Play Store search for Snapchat, and then if you have an update to your Snapchat, then tap on update and update your Snapchat. So after updating, you will find an option which says open, so it means that you have updated your Snapchat. So this might fix your issue, but if this still doesn't fix your issue, then what you have to do is open up your settings and then search for apps and notifications, and under that see all apps and go and search for Snapchat. Here I have my Snapchat, and what you have to do is tap on storage and cache, and then tap on clear cache. By clearing all the cache, you will fix your issue. So these were the few steps through which you can fix your Snapchat support code, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thank you.